channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on this look. This is what I call the Euphoria look. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I've already washed my face and now I'm going to tie my hair so that my hair won't be on my face. Now I'm going to spray the Badescu facial spray, the rose water one. I don't really like using primers that are silicone based. That's why I always just prefer like MAC Fix Plus or just any spray for prepping my skin. So now I'll be using this foundation. So it's going to be a full coverage foundation. I mean full coverage look. So I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD liquid foundation and I'm in the shade Nude Beige. This is my go-to for pictures and videos. My go-to foundation. Sponge. So just one pump. It goes a long way. I like how runny this is. So now I'm going to use this Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm in the shade Natural Beige. This is my favorite full coverage concealer. Well, I've also used the Tarte Shape Tape. It's also a nice one, pero I like this more. I don't know why. I also like putting on my lids for, like, it serves as the primer for my lids naman. Some people, they use eyeshadow base, pero ang gastos, so mas okay gamitin na lang yun. This is actually my first ever formal tutorial after so many videos that I've posted recently. I'm actually excited for this look. Now, I'm going to use yellow base powder. This is what I'm going to use. It's the Bakerie Floor Setting Powder in the shade Yellow. This is my favorite powder to use for baking kasi walang white cast. Minsan kasi may mga foundations na leave ng white cast, especially when you go out, when you take pictures at night. Ang hirap ng may powder na maputing-maputi sa face kasi may flashback. This one, it helps the foundation na may cast to lessen it. So, I don't really have any technique in putting my powder on the face. As in, kahit saan lang, kung saan lang yung oily areas dito na nilagay. I'm taking it off right away kasi wala naman akong pupuntahan. Like, I'm just at home and doing this tutorial. So, now that my face is baked, I'm going to use this K Palette Relasting Eyebrow Pen. This is my favorite eyebrow pen for full coverage looks. It stays kahit mapawisan ka, kahit punta ka ng CR, maghilamos ka, it still stays. Syempre, it depends on how much you put as well. Pero I just like to color my brows with this. I don't really have a technique also in putting this eyebrow pen on my brows. Kung ano lang yung nasasakop ng brows ko, dun ko lang nilalagay. And then I also use a spoolie para mag-spread yung product. It's also up to you kung how many times, how much times, or how much pressure you're going to put sa spoolie. There. See the difference? Kasi wala talaga akong kilay. Like, meron pero it's so light. May sparse area talaga. I don't even know kung pantay. Oh my God, parang hindi pantay. Oh my God, parang hindi pantay. Parang ako lang. There. So that's it. Sometimes I also put clear brow gel on top of my K Palette eyebrow pen. Pero it depends. Hindi man ako lalabas, so I won't put. Now I'm going to do my eyes. Actually, I'll be needing tape kasi I want the edges to be sharp. It's a Euphoria look, so kailangan snatch talaga yung eye shape. So, wait lang. Okay, so now na I put the tapes na sa sides ng lids ko, I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow base. Not really base, but eyeshadow base color. I'm actually planning to mix with colors like purple and red. So I'm gonna choose a purple color first for my base. So I'm gonna use this Masquerade by Juvia's palette. It's the mini version. I'm going to use the purple glittery shade. Tap off the excess. Tapos, just color your lids all over by this. You have to blend it well para hindi patchy tingnan. It's also up to you kung gaano ka dark yung shades na gusto niyo ng purple. There. But I want to put more, so later for sure may mga fallout na mahuhulog sa face ko from the eyeshadow, but we can clean it later naman. Now I'm going to use a flat top brush para dito sa gagawin ko siyang parang eyeliner type. Actually, any red shadow would do. I'm gonna use this terracotta shade. Actually, no. I'm gonna use this, I don't know how to describe, pero this red. And I'm using the Okalan Color Matte Eyeshadow. Etong red. Here it goes. Actually, onti lang naman lalagay ko. Line lang talaga siya literal. Kasi nga, eyeliner type yung pick for the eyeshadow. But I'm not sure yet. Like, I feel like I'm gonna also put like a black liner sa end. Dito lang sa tips ng wing. And then, I'm going to put also same eyeshadow, yung red, sa under, what do you call this? Like waterline-ish lower eyeshadow. There. So basically, we have 2 eyeshadows right now. I think that's it. Like, yun lang yung gagamitin ko. 2 eyeshadows lang talaga. I'm going to put like a tear duct pa pala. Or actually, I'm going to use my fingers na lang. Going to use, I want a fun color. This Zobo shade from the Masquerade by Juvia's. I'm gonna use my ring finger. Hope this works. Actually, no, it's fine. I like the effect na medyo nag-mix yung purple and... Oh no, wait. Oh my god, wait lang, BRB. Okay, so I have actually just fixed it. I removed the shade here, tapos pinunasan ko lang ng tissue and then re-apply ko using a brush na. It was a mistake for using my pinky finger. So, same shade yung Zobo, tapos I use this flat top brush. Tapos, you just make like a parang cat eye. There. And then I'm going to mix the same shade sa waterline. Well, lower eyeshadow. There. Can you see? Like, I made this like cat liner thingy sa parang matulis na eyeshadow na shape sa eyes. So, yeah, there. So now, I'm going to take this off na. Tara! Dumikit yung foundation. So, I will reapply my concealer by using my fingers. There. Wait, I'm gonna make you guys look at my eyes. See? So now, I'm going to do my face. I'm actually gonna do something else din sa mata ko, pero later na lang yun. I'm going to bronze by using this, my bronzer brush. I'll use my Hoola Bronzer, the original Hoola Bronzer here. I don't really like doing contour kasi sobrang mahaba yung face ko dun. And medyo mahaba na yung shape ng face ko. So, hindi na ako nagko-contour. I'm gonna do my nose naman. I'm using this eyeshadow brush. I don't know what it's called, pero it's the Dome Blend 201 by Jessup brushes. As usual, I just do this. Actually, yung iba-iba yung method niyan. Like, yung iba, nagbe-bronzer yung buo, tapos nagbe-bake na lang sila sa gilid ulit. I'm not a makeup artist kasi kaya ganito ako mag-makeup. It's not perfect. The process isn't perfect. Now, going back to the face, I'm going to use a blush. Using my BECCA blush, Amaretto and Pamplemousse, which is the middle and this on the side. kasi I wanna overlap sa nose konti. There! So, I'm going to put naman my highlighter. From the same palette, Jaclyn Hill, I'm going to use Champagne Pop, which is the rose gold one. There. So, now I'm going to use this lip gloss shade, which is, this is the shade Jade from my lip gloss collection. First Bratz collection, well, it's called the Bratz collection. It's my first collection sa IG shop ko, which is glaze.ph. Pero my brand is Glaze, as you can see. This is Glaze. It is glaze.ph on Instagram. And now I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow. You'll be surprised, ang daming pwede gawin for the lip gloss. I just wanna put a little amount, like parang ganito lang. There, ganyan lang, parang nag-spread konti-konti. I don't wanna put sa liner because it's gonna mess it up. So sa eyeshadow lang ng purple area lang nalagay. By the way, my cosmetic line is, well, specifically for the lip glosses, they are cruelty-free, vegan-free cosmetic grade. Yeah, there's nothing to be worried about when you guys are gonna purchase my lip gloss. So there, look at that. It's so nice. Look at that. It's so pretty. See how amazing lip glosses are. They are so multi-purpose. And then, I'm going to use this also as my lip gloss later. But now I'm going to put on, I think I'm gonna go for the brown shade. Yeah, MAC Persistence. And then I'm going to use the other shade of from my collection. This is the brown one. It is Sasha. Pero we aren't done with the yet, the eyes. Kasi I'm gonna put on eye falsies and mascara. This one I'm going to put on my lips using a lip brush, which is, if I can find one. Oh, there. This is a lip brush. I'm going to put a little amount there. There. What I like about my lip glosses is that they are not that scented. They are scented like strawberry, pero light lang yung scents nila. And it doesn't have a cooling effect on the lips because I'm scared. There are a lot of people that have allergies or they're not really comfortable with lip glosses that have like this plumping, burning effect on their lips. Kaya I made mine just an ordinary lip gloss. Well, not really an ordinary one, but like standard lip gloss. So I'm going to add more blush. But this time, I'm going to go for this blush naman, yung dulo, which is Rose Spritz. Kasi I think this is the strongest. There. Better. So now I'm going to put lashes. I'll be back. So I'm back with my lashes. So this is the finished look. So now that I'm done, I've put my lashes already. I'm going to put some sticker rhinestone thing para mas maging Euphoria look talaga. So this is the finished look. So there. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and please tag me or tell me or comment down below if you guys did this kind of look, and if you posted it on social media, just comment down below because I want to see your look as well. So please comment down for suggestions, and don't forget to click the bell button for more updates, and click like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!